Hey, Clayton Polheck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Want to show you just what I found for your website down there. Appreciate you giving me the opportunity to take a look at that for you guys. So I typed in jet ski rental for Fort Lauderdale. You can see what pulls up here. You've got jet ski rentals Fort Lauderdale, another jet ski Fort Lauderdale company, and another one. These are not you guys, and we want you guys to be in this map section right here. The organic section down below, you've got AmericanWatersports.net. Jet ski rentals at FortLauderdale.com and JetSkiFL.com are in these top 3 positions. So this is where we want to be. They've got a cool, little image over here, maybe a logo, maybe just showing what people do, on the jet skis. And then down here, you guys are way down on the first page, but which is great that you're on the first page, but you're way down here. So it's going to be a lot of, just searching for somebody to really go that far down the page to get you. So we want to get you guys moved up. So the 3 things that you guys need to do are, 1, content. We have to have 1,500 words of content per keyword on your homepage that we're trying to rank, or whichever page we're trying to rank, which might be your Wave Runner tour page in this instance. So 1,500 words minimum per. That just gives us a couple of opportunities to get some keywords on there. We've got to have backlinks coming to you, and I'll show you what your competitors are doing versus what you guys are doing. So these are other websites that link to yours. And then the third thing that we do is your name, address, and phone number on as many online directories as possible. And these 3 things together will work together to push you up past your competitors. So let's look at what you're up against, and just some couple of things on your website. So first off, on your homepage, you've got very little profile in the Wave Runner business. You've got a great, some great things on here about your yacht rentals, but there's not really anything on the homepage that's about the Wave Runner rentals. So I think that's something that we need to revamp and add some more content just for the Wave Runners. You've got a nice video in the background. It is a little bit grainy, and I think we could clear that up. And if you've got the files for that, I think we can clear that video up and make it look just, really crisp. The other thing that, like I said, we might want to just profile a little bit on the Wave Runner on this homepage, but then link back and really rank your Wave Runner page specifically for that. If you want to do the yacht business too, that's something else we could look at, helping you out with. But right now I'm just looking at the Wave Runner side. Looking at your competitors, so this is the top competitor, AmericanWatersports.net, and you can see they're ranking this back page, because this is what pulls up over in this section. It's actually a back page, so when you click on that, it goes to this one. And they've got, some just coupons and different things on there which might be great to profile, but, they're ranking this page because they've been around a long time. They've got a little bit of content. They've got some backlinks built up, which is great. But still, we can beat them with content, and we can beat them by getting better backlinks and push up past them. And when we look into this a little bit, you'll see that there's some huge opportunity. JetSkiFL.com is another one that's outranking you. Really crisp, really clear picture you can see right there. Just a really nice looking image. Again, not a lot of content on their site. They got some nice images and stuff. They may have keywords in these images, but we can beat them on content, and that's, Google loves that. And then this company, Jet Ski Rental FortLauderdale.com, is also ahead of you guys. And man, it's really a basic site. This almost looks like a lead gen site to me, that they probably rent to somebody. So that's definitely, a site that we can beat. Looking at, you guys, I use this program called Ahrefs. I type in your URL, and this is where you pull up. You're the 63 millionth strongest website in the world. You've got, a URL strength of 8 and a domain strength of 1.2. This is what we've got to get better. This is coming from the backlinks and such that's going to get this better. You do have 32 backlinks coming into 15 domains. They're just, not strong enough to, beat your competition. And then you're being found for 299 keywords. So I looked into the keywords that you're being found for. You've got, there's Rockstar Watersports up there. You've got some of this on your page, in some places, but it's just not enough to really bring you some strength. You're in position 17 and fallen 2 spots for Jet Ski Rental Fort Lauderdale. That gets searched 5,000 times a month. That is huge. That's awesome. I love seeing that. What I don't like seeing is this 28. So this is the keyword difficulty. So there's a lot of people going after this, a lot of competition for it, and it takes a lot of time to outrank your competitors because there is a lot of strength. There's also opportunity, 900 searches a month for jet ski rentals Fort Lauderdale, another 1,000 for Fort Lauderdale jet ski rental. So you can see we've got to put this on your page in that order, and this on your page in that order, and this on your page in that order and in that content to outrank your competitors. And then you've got, there might be yacht with jet ski. There might be Fort Lauderdale jet ski. There's another 600 searches. So we would go through here, and some of these that have a 0 or a 7 are going to be a whole lot easier to rank than a 28. But the keywords that have the high volume are the ones with the higher KD. So we've got to go after that and really beat that. Looking at American Watersports, you can see they have a 22 and a 21. This is almost perfectly optimized. We like to see this as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. They have 149 backlinks coming through 29 referring domains. These backlinks are just a whole lot stronger than what you guys have. That's why there's 15 more or 14 more, and they're beating you guys so much. Their website also has a lot of history, and Google also, will put that into play. And you can see they had a very weak website for a long time. They started in 2020 adding some strength to it, but again, it's not super strong. Definitely something we can beat. But you can see here the value that they're getting from what this company estimates off of that website traffic is about $10,000 per month coming in off of that. So that's kind of what they are doing. If you look at jetskifl.com, you can see a 22 and a 2.4, so way more wide of a gap here. That means their backlink strength is not as strong. Even though they've got 63 referring domains, we just have to go get what's the strongest. They've been around a little bit too, which not too long, just a couple years longer, and they're ranking for 304 keywords. I like to see, these that have a lower domain rating so we can beat those guys. 26, 1.2, 91 referring domains. We really drill down into these referring domains and see what they are and see, how strong it is. This is an 8 on its strength level, 4, 3, 3. So I have to go in and get, to beat this one, I have to go get a 9 or better. To beat this one, I have to get a 5 or better on the strength rating. For a different backlink. So that's kind of how backlinks work. Google's looking for quantity and they're looking for strength on the backlink profile. And also relevancy really is the most important. So, you don't want to have a Pizza Hut linking to your site, because they're not selling jet skis, they're selling, or rentals, they're selling Pizza Huts or selling pizzas. So you really want to find something that is a good link that's talking about water sports or beach activities or something along those lines that really refer to what you guys do in business, and Google looks at that and says, okay, that's a really great link, and they give it a lot more strength. So looking at what I do to rank this map section, so I'm going to come back over here. So you can see there's 3 places here. You guys are, just down, if I zoom out, you guys are down here. I mean, you show up in one of these things, and it's not like you're not there, but you want to be in these top 3 positions. And so what I do is I use a program called Local Brand Manager. It shows me, just when somebody searches, like this is a company in Northwest Arkansas, it shows me just what position they are ranking in relative to where a person is in town. So if this person is over here in the top corner of, Bella Vista or something, this company's ranking in number 1 position, if they're searching from there. But if they're down closer to Springdale, they're going to be in the 10th position for the same keyword for water damage. So what we would do is we like to look at that, where your strength presence is now, and then we go add things to your Google business profile to help strengthen that up. So that's just, kind of the ways that we do those things. But I'd love to, talk to you a little bit more about, what your business is doing now, how much you guys are trying to grow, how much more business you can take on. Let's talk about what works, because definitely the search volume is out there for you guys. It doesn't mean that we're trying to capture all 5,000 searches a month. We just want a large percentage of that and get more volume coming to your website so that you get more bookings. But give me a shout and let's talk about what you want to do. What is the best working for you guys? You can reach me at my phone number 479-326-7899 or on my cell, which you have, and let's see what we can do.